So I want to turn on this LED by pressing this button. Okay, so first of all let me change its action to maintain button, which is switched when pressed. Alright, now this LED is connected to pin number 6 of my Arduino board. Okay, and here's my switch, which is my input, virtual input. Okay, let us increase its size to 36. Okay, this is my stop condition. Here's my switch. Alright, now go back to your block diagram. Now first of all delete your connections, increase the size of your while loop. Okay. Now just right click on it, go to your Arduino and start your Arduino initialization. Okay, now first of all select your COM port by just clicking on visa resource. Alright, name COM port. Okay, now you need to define your LED. Okay, just right click on it, go to low level and set digital input output pin. Okay, connect your Arduino resource and other output. Alright, now also. Okay, now my pin is connected to pin number 6 of my Arduino board. Okay, and my pin is an output component because my LED is an output component, sorry. So select output. Okay, now you need to write the value. Alright, go to your Arduino low level and then digital write. Now connect your Arduino resource first and then error out. Sorry. So here you need to declare your pin, which is 6. Okay, now you need to enter the value either 0 either 1, and which can only be entered by your switch. Okay, now if you directly connect these two values, because your switch gives true or false, and you need here boolean value 0 or 1. Okay, now to convert this true false to 0 1, go to boolean and select bool. Alright, connect your switch to the one end of bool function and other end to the right, sorry, that's it, right function. Alright, now you need to declare your pin virtually also. Okay, sorry, give it size to 36. Alright, now I want to turn on this LED virtually. Okay, so just right click on it and go to low level and select digital read pin. Okay, now connect your Arduino resource and error out. So here's my digital pin, which is pin number 6. Alright, now we want, if our value is 1, then my LED should turn on. So use your comparison operator. Alright, now compare it with a constant 1 with this read value. Oops. It might create some problem. Sorry. Blue color is my favorite. Okay. Alright, now it was my last function. Okay, now in the end, select your Arduino close. Okay, now connect your Arduino resource and error in. Alright, now go to your front panel. Here's my front panel. Now refresh your COM board. I didn't connect my Arduino board. Okay, let me connect my Arduino board. So here's my Arduino board, and now refresh your COM port. Alright, just ignore these two LEDs. Now just hit run. Okay, this LED which is connected to pin number 6. Okay, if I press this switch, my LED is turned on. If I again press the switch, my LED is turned off. Okay, now the action is, oh sorry, the mechanical action of your switch is the maintain button. It behaves as a maintain button. Alright. Okay, now let's do the same exercise by using push button. Okay, so first of all, disconnect your Arduino. Oh sorry, while loop, stop. Okay, now let's do our next exercise.